What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a Toyota remote fob. So this remote is going to take replacement battery CR2032, and you'll also want to grab yourself a flathead screwdriver. So if we look at the top of our remote fob, we're going to see this little notch right here. What we're going to do is put the screwdriver in that notch and then twist it. So we put it in that notch and then twisted it just like that. And that's going to pop this shell apart. We can pull it off like that. Now we can see our battery right here. What I like to do is just use that screwdriver just to help push that battery out of that battery holder. Grab our new battery and make sure you're installing that with the plus side up. Slide it in, make sure it's all the way in that little holder. And we'll grab our back, snap that back on. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.